In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Hellofresh discount codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Hellofresh discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow. As you can see right here, we have a list with some deals and some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one right here with 50% discount, all you need to do is just select this button where it says get promo code, and for this one there is no coupon code required. So you can simply select the button where it says continue to this offer, and you will be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied automatically. Going back to the main search right here, if you scroll down, you have this website which is called Retail Me Not, and right here we also have some deals and some promo codes that we can use to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one right here with a free gift on first box. All you need to do is just select the button where it says get deal. And for this one, there is also no coupon code required. So you can simply select right here this button where it says shop at HelloFresh, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.